This is a form in Magic xpa WebClient. Magic can generate HTML for each element, but it always follows the same structure. You have no control over the generated output, so you often end up fixing things manually or even rewriting parts of it from scratch. That takes time, and it's not where you want to spend your effort. With the Wizly plugin, you can transform that into this in seconds. Let me show you how that works. Hi, my name is Sibren van Zon, an XPA and Angular developer. I built this plugin from my experience converting Magic applications to web clients, where the generated code often didn't match the project requirements. This plugin was built to fix that and save time and effort. The plugin captures Magic's generated code, extracts the important parts, and exposes them as variables in the templates. To run the transform, open the command palette in VS Code, search for the Wizly transform command, and press enter to run it. If you want to change the default templates or create your own, you can simply export them to your workspace. Wizly has a template for each Magic control, making it easy to find and customize. By exporting them, they become part of your version control. These templates define how your final output is generated. Instead of editing generated code, you control it here. The plugin also adds smart behavior. For example, it can match labels to inputs automatically, removing the old HTML label generated by Magic and inserts a new one via a helper function. Wizly can detect intent based on naming. If a control name of a button ends with login, it can automatically become a submit button. Apply a primary style, disable when the form is invalid, and even add an icon. By using templates in a smart way, you can automate small details that would normally require manual work. At the same time, you can fine-tune the output to match the specific needs of your project. You can also introduce components that aren't natively supported by Magic and apply them consistently across your application. The submit button is just one example. You are no longer tied to a fixed UI structure. You can adapt the output to a different UI framework like Bootstrap or your own design system. Instead of fixing every element manually, you define it once and apply it everywhere. You can even automate the transform step, so everything changes directly after generation, giving you the ability to work in your favorite editor, even if that's not VS Code. As long as VS Code is open in the background, it will handle the transform for you. It won't generate perfect code out of the box, but it gives you a solid and consistent foundation to build on. Try the Wizly plugin for free on the VS Code marketplace and check out the documentation on GitHub. Thanks for watching.